Today we are to see experiment number 4, that is to find out the suitability of dextrose for the preparation of transfusion fluid by using standard colorimetric solution. Dextrose and its type, first we have to see. Dextrose, that is found in two types, dextrose anhydrous and dextrose monohydrate. So which should be used for parenteral preparations? Dextrose anhydrous, that is used for parenteral preparation. So two types of dextrose are there, dextrose monohydrate and dextrose anhydrous. So today we have to see suitability by colorimetric solution. Color, that is when radiant energy that will be shown to the observer in the range of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, that is perception of color, that is known as color of that particular solution. What is achromicity? Achromicity means colorless. Colorless, that is water is colorless. Like watery solution, it has been observed, that is known as achromicity. So today we have to see suitability of dextrose for parenteral solution. When dextrose is taken and water is added inside that, it is get dissolved. It doesn't show any color, that is it is colorless. When it is compared with standard solution that is prescribed in IP. So today we will prepare standard solution and sample solution. Our sample is dextrose. When dextrose anhydrous, it is dissolved inside the water, it will show a colorless solution. And when it is compared with standard one, that is by using ferric chloride, cobalt chloride and copper sulfate solution, when the two solutions that are kept inside the natural cylinder and observed under dark and white background, they will show the changes. That is, one solution will be colorless and second one, that is standard one, standard, that is having somewhat brownish color. So difference that will shows you, that is whether it is suitable for the preparation of parenteral or not. So for performing this practical, we are requiring two Nestler cylinders. These are called as Nestler cylinders. First, dextrose, that has to be weighed 25 gram. 25 gram of dextrose that has been weighed. It is dissolved in 50 ml of distilled water. 50 ml of distilled water, it is added. It gets dissolved. After dissolving it, this is the sample solution. This is sample solution. And second, that is standard solution, that is prepared by taking 1 ml of cobalt chloride, 2 ml of copper sulfate and 3 ml of ferric chloride to make it 10 ml solution. This is standard solution. From this 3 ml of, this is standard one. From this solution, 3 ml of solution is taken, standard solution, 3 ml, and then standard solution that is taken in standard Nestler cylinder, and the volume is made with distilled water up to the mark, that is up to 50 ml. The solution, that is standard solution, this mark, up to this mark we have to take. This is preparation of standard solution. This is standard one. In test, dextrose 25 gram and water to dissolve it up to 50 ml. This is the sample solution. Both these that are observed, both are same. This is test 1, that is dextrose along with water. This is standard solution, that is ferric chloride, cobalt chloride and copper sulfate that are mixed, and both these that are observed under dark and white background. This is standard solution. That is showing somewhat brownish color, while the test solution is colorless. That indicates that is dextrose anhydrous. It is suitable for the preparation of parenteral. Dextrose anhydrous. The Nestler cylinder 1, that is it consisting of sample, it is colorless, it's this observation, and Nestler cylinder 2, that is consisting of standard 1, it is somewhat light brownish color, it is observing. So interpretation of result, that is intensity of color of sample solution is less and intensity of dextrose that will be colorless. Hence, it complies test for IP 1985. The questions are there in your manual. Give the range of visible spectrum. Previously, I have told you that is 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. It is the visible range of spectrum. What is achromicity? Achromicity means colorless. That is, there is no observation of color. Why it is essential to perform suitability test for dextrose? Give reasons. Why it is essential? We have seen that dextrose, that is observed in two forms, dextrose monohydrous and dextrose anhydrous. When dextrose without electrolyte, when it is administered, so it is causing pseudo agglutination of RBCs. That's why it is alone, it should not be administered without electrolyte, and dextrose concentration inside the water should be administered after suitable dilution. It may increase concentration, blood glucose concentration. So, after dilution, it should be administered. State the types of dextrose according to IP. Dextrose monohydrate and dextrose anhydrous. Why dextrose monohydrate? It is not used in manufacturing of dextrose intravenous infusion. When we are preparing the parenteral preparation, the sterilization that has been done by autoclaving. In case of dextrose, when the dextrose monohydrate is used, at that time, when autoclaving is carried out, it will turn to some, due to the caramelization of dextrose, it will give some brownish coloration. That's why it is not suitable, dextrose monohydrate. So, dextrose anhydrous, it is used in parenteral preparation. This is about experiment number 4, that is suitability of dextrose. So, in parenteral preparation, dextrose anhydrous is used to prepare the injection, large volume parenteral or small volume parenteral. Thank you.